Nanikure.
Odie, where are you?
I'm in the Backrooms.
Yes, sir. Dude, he's not supposed to know, dude. He's not supposed to know.
I'm in a place where all I see is yellow walls on yellow walls.
Man, you know, that definitely narrows down where you are.
Well, what else do you want me to tell you? I see big yellow wall. Like, what the fuck? Oh, what are these? These are... I see wooden pan... Oh, look, I found the exit. Oh, wait, the ladder broken. Oh, wait, I collect these pieces, right?
Oh, what's
Damn,
up? What's
bitches.
up?
Oh, there's a key. God damn it, I thought this was next
You
level.
thought that was
already.
the way out.
I did. What do you do with the key?
Gotta go find the door.
To the door.
Opening a door that doesn't exist? Elfway.
Oh, there's a door. I'm at the door.
Man, where the fuck are you, bro? Yeah, see, you don't like that
I'm in the
person,
back
huh?
rooms.
Oh, see, I knew I'd find the door.
He's gone. He's gone.
Alright, get in there, Maze God.
Alright, yeah, go there, Mika.
My ankles!
No!
My ankles have been snapped!
The noise the
over
guy
there.
makes, though. The noise the guy makes.
Yeah.
It doesn't even sound like a guy, it sounds like a bitch. Hey, sounds like I slipped on a banana. I would have been like, oh shit, fuck! Not like, oh hell yeah, I found my house.
Oh, yeah.
Special item, like in the Roblox one?
Yes.
Yeah.
And achievements. Achievements.
Oh, I don't want to go in there. Eh,
This
fuck
is
it.
our dark room.
Oh, we all have to be here. I forgot.
Yeah, we all have to be
Hard
here.
mode.
Wait, this is hard mode?
Yeah.
Yep.
So
We
that
always
means
play
if we
hard.
die, we spectate only?
No, if we die, all of us restart.
No, that's easy mode. Hard mode is it restarts the entire thing. Red, blue.
There we go.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Alright, Odie leads us on the next one.
Don't close the door on me like y'all did Matthew.
Okay, move!
Oh, who closed it?
Oh shit, how'd you close it?
Close it!
I see
another
that
flashlight.
skin stealer.
Are you sure you see it?
Is that it?
Where?
There's a
Oh.
person in front of us.
Oh.
Yeah, see, that's a skin stealer, right? Yeah.
Wait, there's two of them.
Wait, there's two.
There's supposed to be not more than two?
Last time it was just one.
Okay, here's the escape door. We gotta find keys. Any keys in here? No keys? Okay.
Oh no, it's after me.
Oh, good luck, bro. Oh, it just that was a fake one. Alright, both of them are after
Oh!
you.
What the fuck is that one?
Both of them are
Oh,
after
okay.
him. Ah.
That doesn't concern me.
There's a key.
Open the door.
Is there a key in there? Oh. Uh-oh.
Oh.
Where's my infinite stand, bro?
Yep, identify yourself. What?
He died. Why did another one spawn at the
Right? Okay, just ran to that first door, bro.
Flashlight.
No keys. Oh, one key.
Found one so far.
Well, we gotta go find three more. Oh, the motherfucker's coming. Whoever's out there, good luck.
Yo, identify
ran out?
yourself. Ooh, you kinda fast. Ooh.
Oh.
Ooh.
He is bait.
Ooh.
He's bait.
Ooh.
Oh, there's one key. Oh, they can spawn on the fucking desk.
Oh, you've never seen a looper like this. You've never seen a looper like this.
Oh.
Meow.
Oh.
Meow.
Alright,
found another key.
where's the second
Yeah.
one? Where's the second guy?
Meow. Meow. Meow.
Fucking airplane.
Meow.
Oh!
Meow. Yep.
Only found one.
You've never seen a looper like this before.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, we found all of them. Wait,
Have
we
we?
found all of them.
Oh, damn, I outran them. Sheesh. They trash.
Who's that over there?
Me.
Flashlight. Oh, okay. Close that shit.
Easy claps.
Let's
Dude.
go.
I was only getting chased like the entire time. Oh god, I stepped on water. What pee pee? What?
It's
What?
rooms to hide in. What was that?
Oh, that means there's something patrolling the area, no? Yeah, I bet.
Dude,
Oh,
like the
okay.
flashlight doesn't even work that well in this level, dude.
So dark, bro.
Oh hell yeah.
Oh my god.
Baby,
Oh,
come
oh.
through.
Oh.
You deserve a round.
I didn't even know there was a fucking elevator.
I think it randomly generates.
Yeah, because we usually just walk down.
Oh, baby, come through. Oh, hey, my vision.
Oh yeah, we got here. Yeah, I forgot we got here. And then.
Oh, we at the hub,
Oh.
guys. We at the
Oh,
hub.
is it? Is it? Oh,
Oh,
it
yeah.
is. Wait, what?
We at the
Wait.
hub.
What happened?
We at the
Teleporting.
hub.
Oh, now it's the HUD. Hold on, let me see, Yodi.
Go ahead, check that shit.
Yeah, it's literally mix and match.
What?
Yes, it is, but I'm blind and I don't know. I can't see. Too many letters, too many numbers, too many coding. I'm not reading through all that.
Okay, I got it. Okay.
Oh.
Shmoney!
Oh, it's dark
Shit.
as fuck, bro.
Is my flashlight on? It is.
Oh, password?
Another password?
Mm.
Where?
This one,
Where?
QWERTY 123 almonds 4. It heard you. Okay.
It hurt.
Thank you.
Okay, that's the password.
Oh, okay. It worked. Gate.exe. You want? Yes. Unlock it. Yes. Yes. Okay. I
Oh,
think
yes.
it is unlocked.
Oh.
Booyah!
What?
What happened? Oh.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
Oh, it's the
Oh, it's the
updated
level.
version.
Yo, 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 yo,
Run, bro!
My stamina! Okay, I'm good.
Oh, you ran to the other one?
Yes. I found it.
What did you find?
Found it?
Oh, he was right behind me. Oh,
Oh.
same thing. Sheesh. Station?
Station fun.
Let's go to
Ooh.
the station. I don't
Let's
want to
go
go back to the
station.
fun level.
Oh, it's dark as shit.
Oh, it is. Oh, there's a. Oh, what was that?
You know what?
Oh, okay. It's just pipes bursting. Be like, I'm
My
going back.
Fucking stamina. So,
I don't like the sound of that. I need to run. What?
Oh,
It's not like it
got
behind me. It's not like it behind me. My stamina. Oh, it's not like it closer.
Oh, is it there, Anu? Is it
Here,
here?
here, here, look.
Oh!
Oh my god! He's so fucking slow! Oh my god, man! I know I could run him for a loop, but not like this. Oh my god! It's just progressively gotten louder and louder and louder, man. Yeah, fucking hell, dude.
Oh, this open.
What
Oh, this
opened?
open.
What opened?
The gate doors. You know the
Oh, the beginning?
no. The ones like on the way when we got to the area where I ran ahead.
These one.
Oh, those. Oh, okay. The long ass hallway. Y'all go first.
Yeah, Odie go first.
I can't. You're the.
Who's that? Whoa! Fucker!
Oh, we're dead. Oh, we're dead. Oh my god!
You fucker! Whoa!
This man sold us!
I was like, who the fuck was that? I was expecting Odie
Yeah,
to be
I
the one to
was-
close it.
Dude, I don't even know where the fuck I was going.
Oh no,
man.
don't go. Don't.
Ah, since your bitch ass did that, you go first.
Oh my god, I got sold. I was like, where am I going? Where am I going? I'm like, why are all the doors closed? and then I looked at Nick and I'm like, why aren't you opening the fucking doors?
Dude, I did over there. You and me were juggling them together. Here's Odie. You with Anu? Y'all together?
Nothing.
Yeah. Oh, I got scared of my shadow for a second. I thought
Oh!
Shit! Yo, I just walked in and
Who was that
instantly
that died? Who was in the room?
That was me.
Oh. Oh, okay. Checkpoint here. Thank God.
Oh my god, I screamed so loud.
I walked in, I instantly died.
Oh, here's a flashlight for you. And almond water.
I'm surprised you guys did not die when I closed the door on you guys.
Damn.
Yeah, dude,
Okay.
we were ninja warring that shit. We were
That-
jumping around shit, trying to open doors and shit. It got stuck on the door because
Yeah, it got stuck on the
closed
door.
the door on him. Oh my fucking.
Oh shit!
No, no, no.
Don't you dare close the door, bitch!
Nah, never me. So Anu, since you walked in on it, what does it look like? Is it like a man bear pig or like what?
It's like imagine like Momo if it was a dog.
Disgusting.
Dog.
Yeah, I saw Anu open that door and then I saw it just standing in front of him. I was like, yep, one of us is gonna die.
I think if there's a dog in there, I agree we all enter this room.
Why are you?
Whoa!
Right
Never me. No, I said run. What the fuck? This is officially the worst level, man. I don't care about the ones the skin stealers. I can loop them. This? Hell nah.
Yeah, it's not like
Claustrophobic.
claustrophobic. Yeah.
Alright.